Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install the new SoundStream Reserve HD Vision backup camera system. So come on in, check it out. All right, so here's the RF receiver that's for the backup cameras. I've already installed the antenna and I tightened it down with an 8mm wrench. On this end, it comes with a cord that plugs in here, and then I soldered that connection to the pink wire that comes off the back of all SoundStream radios. Now this is only going to work with the SI, the SG, the RG, and the 14 Plus radio. This is the low resolution camera, so it's not going to work with the V2. However, we do have the HD Vision V2 backup camera system that will work for that for the high resolution screen. Once I've made that solder connection, then I'm simply plugging in my RCA connection, and then going to tuck in this unit right up inside of this open compartment here. In the Road Glide, there's going to be a similar area between the speaker box and the radio itself. So you'll just tuck this up in there, secure it with some zip ties, some double back tape, whatever you need to do so it's not rattling around in your fairing, because you will hear this metal object while you're riding down the road. All right, as you can see, I've already replaced the one turn signal on the right-hand side of the bike. Now I'm going to do the left-hand side. I rotate this around to where you'll see the little, well, this just popped right off. There's also a little notch right here that you just stick a screwdriver in, twist, it pops right out. Take out the stock bulb. They've already replaced this with an LED. There's going to be a little sensor right at the top of this. That is a light sensor to go day and night time. I want that at the top, and that will also adjust your orientation to be on a level plane when you're backing up. Now you do have a staggered fitment, as it was an 1157 bulb, dual filament. So this only goes in one way, so make sure you get it right. Now my sensor will go on the top, and our install is done. Let's go up to the radio and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so now we go to the radio, fire it up. You wait for the boot up screen. All I'm going to do is from the home screen, hit the camera icon. At that point, that module will power up. There's your backup camera. Whole installation took me 15 minutes, including taking the fairing off, putting it back on. With this bike, we actually went ahead and installed the SI radio, the precision power amp, the HT front speakers, the cut-in kit with the HT rear speakers as well. So we ended up going with the full kit. But these things are super simple to install. If you've ever bought one of the SoundStream radios before, hook up a pink wire, hook up an RCA, and pop out a couple of turn signals and you're done. So now I'm going to take it outside, show you just what it's like when you're backing up. All right, as you can see, it's really easy just to pull right into a parking lot. If you're getting older, if you're having a hard time turning your head like I am, this SoundStream Reserve HD Vision camera is great for backing up. You can even hit that button when you're heading down the highway and see what traffic's looking like behind you, see if something's coming up and you need to change lanes or not, to see if the coast is clear. Get yours today at Lifestyle Cycles online megastore and get free shipping and get it right to your front door.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.